Hello friends, my name is Tanvi. Today we are going to discuss about the subject biology and the topic is deficiency diseases. So here we are going to study about deficiency diseases. The deficiency disease is now here the deficiency disease we have vitamin. Now the disease which comes in the absence of vitamins or minerals is called a deficiency disease. Now here we have some of them. This vitamin, we have vitamin A. Lack or absence of vitamin A, we get the disease which is night blindness, which is poor vision. At when it is night, you will not be able to see at all. You will become blind at night. Okay, night blindness. So the prevention of it. So prevention of it, if you don't want to get this night blindness disease, the prevention is you have to eat carrots and butter. Carrots and butter. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have B1, vitamin B1. Okay, absence of this vitamin, you can get the disease which is beriberi. Beriberi. Okay, beriberi is a disease which is caused by the absence of vitamin B1. The prevention of it, if you don't want to get beriberi disease, the prevention is you have to eat eggs and meat. Eggs and meat. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have vitamin B2. Vitamin B2. So here, in the absence of vitamin B2 or less amount, the deficiency disease we get is bad skin. Bad skin. The skin will become very bad, rough, and just come out. Okay, bad skin. The prevention of it is you have to eat beans and milk to prevent this disease. Beans and milk. Next one, we have vitamin C. Vitamin C. Absence of vitamin C, the deficiency disease is loose teeth. The teeth of yours will start breaking. It will fall. Okay, it will fall very easily, quick. And then the prevention of it is you have to eat lemons and even oranges. Lemons, oranges also. The prevention. Okay, last one, which is vitamin D. Vitamin D, in absence of vitamin D, you will get rickets. Rickets is the bones in children, especially in children, the bones will break or bend very easily. Rickets, in this disease, the bones will break easily, break or bend. Okay, the prevention of it is milk. You have to drink milk and eat fish. Milk and fish. So, we have completed it. We'll have a quick recap of it again. So, vitamin A, the deficiency disease, the absence of vitamin A, you will get the disease which is night blindness, in which when it is night, you will not be able to see. You will become blind at the night time. Night blindness. The prevention is carrots and butter. Prevention. To prevent this disease, you have to eat carrots, butters, and even mangoes. Next, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Absence of vitamin B1, you will get this is beriberi. The prevention of it is you have to eat eggs and meat. Next one, vitamin B2. Absence of vitamin B2 of or less amount, you will get the disease which is bad skin, in which your skin will get dirty. Next, the prevention of it is you have to eat beans and drink milk. Beans and milk. The next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, the deficiency disease is you lose teeth. Your teeth will break easily. Next, the prevention is you have to eat lemons, oranges and all. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency disease is absence of vitamin D. The deficiency disease is rickets, in which the children's bones will break or bend easily. The prevention is milk and fish. Milk and fish. Now that was for today's session. Thank you.